Why do I have hiccups right now? What the fuck?
Because you got scared from the jump scare. It's alright, we'll scare you again and that'll heal him.
Oh my god, please. Yeah, scare me. It's really hard to do so.
Okay, let me think.
Boo.
You just doxed yourself on your channel.
Huh?
What?
I'm scaring you.
Oh.
Were you not
That was
scared
pretty
at
good.
all?
Oh my god.
I
mean,
mean, the
pretty
hunter
good.
again?
Did it work?
Yeah. Holy
Pretty
shit.
good.
I thought you were serious. I couldn't tell. I was like, what?
I think
Wait,
it worked. You don't have
What?
hiccups
I'm
anymore.
not even streaming, what? Oh, it worked.
It worked.
For a second, I thought you were reading chat. I thought you were reading chat and somebody told you that you got doxxed. I was like, oh, Hachi, you better get that fixed.